Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In this video, we show you Lexus RX450H Speedometer, also known as combination meter or instrument cluster, before and after we converted it from Japanese to English. All menus and warning messages in its instrument cluster were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change them to English. After conversion, instrument cluster displays all menus, settings, and notifications in English. We have identified over 300 words and phrases in Japanese which we have converted to English. Those related, for example, to Windows closure reminder, washer fluid, oil pressure, key battery, cruise control, moonroof, doors lock-unlock settings, lights settings, immobilizer, etc. Apart from normal driving conditions, any notifications and warning messages will now pop up in English. Thank you for watching.